Eva Trades.
Hey, welcome to the live show. It's Tuesday. We have some stocks on the move. Let's go take a look and see if we can find something to trade. Here we go. Yeah, GDC here, the leading gapper in the market today, consolidating right now, making nice moves early on. We'll take a look at the larger time frame first. Hourly time frame. So we haven't consolidated on the hourly for a little while, for the last several hours. So we are due for consolidation, but we have a red inside bar. I'm sorry, we have a red bar here. We have a green inside bar. A little choppy on the 15. We had this high. We broke over it, couldn't hold, failed to break and follow through, or failed to follow through. There's our support at 640. So we're just sideways right now. Sideways consolidation. We'll mark out that level up here at the top. 746. Okay. And back to the 5-minute time frame now. So yeah, bouncing pretty nice on the 5-minute. I want to see enough of a bounce here that we can actually form a higher low. So, you know, we'll see what we get. One thing to note about GDC is it is a little bit choppy. Whippy, a lot of wicks, ups and downs, and a lot of breakouts, fake outs. Excuse me while I try to wake up my speech here. Yeah, we have like a breakout here that failed. We had, well, a bounce off the volume weighted average price. Nice dip buy opportunity there. But like, you know, we had bear breaks that didn't follow through. We had bull breaks that didn't follow through. Here's a little bull break. Didn't follow through. Something just to make note of on this stock. Here we had a nice move up. We had this pullback and we started to break out here. And you can see that failure and then a flush down. I saw that one happen. That went pretty quick. APLD, really nice. Bulls in full control here. You had a little equilibrium here and a bull break. So we have our levels here to be watching at 480. We have a higher low down at 435 on the 5-minute time frame. And that is one thing too that's notable here about GDC on the 15-minute time frame is we have higher lows all the way up so far. We have not lost our 15-minute uptrend. And on APLD, we don't have a 15-minute higher low yet. Well, bears tried. Broke that level by a little bit. What does that look like on the smaller time frame? Yeah, there it broke. So, you know, we could see a shift to the bears here on APLD in the short term, but we do have the volume weighted average price down here. So I'll just keep an eye on the levels that I have marked out here. We do have a little pivot here, but will we get back that far? We'll see if we get back that much. XFOR, cheaper stock. Yeah, don't typically like those cheaper ones. $1.84 is our resistance level. We have a higher low down here at $1.62. So it's, again, sideways consolidation. And looking pretty good on the larger time frame. We have inside bar favoring the bulls right now. And where did I see? Thought I saw a triple top here somewhere in one of these stocks, but I don't recall now where that was at. Oh well. Okay, so anyways, those are the levels I'm watching. Looking at the 1 minute, we do have a support down here. Okay, there's that and that. So 5 minutes to go till the market opens. Over here I have PHIO trading below the volume weighted average price. It's got a little bit of work to do to get itself back into a position where it looks bullish, but we do have a double bottom down here at 415, so it's an equilibrium, kind of favoring the bears, but you never know what could happen. Need to get over 459. Resistance is up at 525. Hourly time frame here. Yeah, this one's kind of ugly, but it made this move here. That's why I put it up. Koya had news, but kind of given up now. One thing I was going to say was that we need to see the volume come into it, but now it's not looking quite as good. TCJH hit the scan. That doesn't look very good. FHN has a huge float. I don't know. Could be something there. I think I'll put FHN here. BEE. BEEM coming up on the gap scan. Yeah. No. Just looking to see if there's anything new. Okay, no, I don't really see anything else that I like on the gap scanner, so that's about it. 3 minutes to go now till the market opens. Okay. Back over to the main screen. This is where I'll start watching the stocks. The ones over here, I'm not as excited about. I'll keep an eye on them. It's my second screen. Kind of curious about FHN. It's got a humongous float. 528 million in the float. That's 10 times more than what I usually like, but candle range isn't too bad on the 5 minute. There's some potential there to make a little bit of money if it wants to take off and go. I guess I can mark out a couple of levels here. We definitely have a level there and there. Okay. And that's all I'm going to mark out. I wonder if it's going to have a wider spread. All right, well, we'll find out. So 2 minutes to go till the market opens. GDC making its move up above the volume weighted average price now. One minute uptrend. IQ is hitting the scan. Maybe. Who knows? Okay, so 30 seconds left till the market opens. And now we're open. Okay. I'm in with a risk of $100. Nice move there. I'm selling GDC. I got stopped out on one of my orders on GDC. Boy, really whipping around there, isn't it? Look at GDC. Wow. All right, I'm all out there. So that was some pretty serious price action drops there on those two stocks. And I think that that's probably going to do it for me today. It's just really crazy there. I'm not at my max loss, but those were some pretty heavy losses there. So MICS is halted going up, I believe. Yeah, but it's a cheaper stock on lighter. Well, the volume's not too bad. I'm down 130 on my day, and I'm just not sure I want to keep trading right now based on that price action we just saw. I'm thinking about just calling it right there, but let's see what happens. I mean, that was seriously, what a huge whip down on GDC. Kind of makes me nervous trading that anymore, but we could give it a few more minutes and see if it starts to maybe calm down a little bit. I guess I'm taking a trade over here on PHIO. Let's see what we get here. See, there's another one. Look at that. It's just doing the same thing that we saw over on GDC with that whipping around. Yeah, and with that, that puts me at my max loss. So now I'm definitely going to have to stop. So I think I made the. I think my assumption was right about stopping. Yeah, I think give it some time. I think things will settle out a little bit today, but right now the whipping around is kind of killing me. So, yeah, I could see it pre-market too. So I think that's going to do it for me. I'm down $202 on my day, so I'm going to put that in here. -16, -202. There we go. Red day for me, so that puts a. I don't think I was green at all today. I wasn't. I was unrealized profit. We started out when I got into these two trades over here. Yeah, I was green here. I was green here, but then they just whipped down, stopped me out, and ended up being red. So here's my profit on the day: -202, May 16th. That puts a red candle here on my P&L chart. So that's unfortunate, but that's the way it goes sometimes. Well, friends, I hope you've had a better trading day than I have. So I'll see you back here tomorrow morning. I'm going to get out of here early. There's no point sticking around if I can't trade anymore. So we'll see you guys later. Take care and make some money today if you can. Take it easy. Bye.